Are you badly in need of a new car, but your bad credit seemed to be holding you back? Would you like to learn the easy way to get a car loan even with bad or no credit? Would getting approved for a car loan relieve a lot of ongoing frustration and stress in your life? See how to apply just one of these proven strategies could increase your chances of getting approved for a car loan, regardless of your bad credit. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
And I appreciate it if you like, share, and comment on the video. Now, let's get back to what we were talking about. We're talking about the best car loans to buy a car with bad credit and no credit check. Because a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people, they're driving around with cars that are just barely making it, and they really need a new car and stuff, but they don't know where to start. Well, first place you want to start is this. You're going to need your pay stubs. You're going to need bank statements and utility bills. Now, some of you all say, well, Houston, I'm receiving government benefits, so how do I qualify or whatever? There are some lenders out there that still work with you even if you receive government benefits. But the main focus for those that are working this stuff, this is what you would need. Pay stubs, bank statements, utility bills. Now, the one place that a lot of people are not even aware of in the community, there's a CDIF. It's a Community Development Financial Institute. It's almost like a credit union or a subsidiary to a credit union. And these type of credit unions, they focus working with people with bad credit. So that's one lead that you may want to check out. It's called Community Development Financial Institute because it's like a credit union, and they focus on helping people with bad credit to rebuild their credit and stuff with different types of loans. So if you have bad credit, reach out to them. Another one is buy here, pay here, where they don't check your credit. All you need is pay stub, bank statement, utility bill. But here's the thing about it that a lot of people are not even aware of. If you go to a buy here, pay here, and because of the new credit laws and stuff, you can ask that buy here, pay here type of company, hey, would you report my good payments to my personal credit to help you rebuild your personal credit? So a lot of people are not even utilizing that. They're going to a buy here, pay here, but they're not asking them to report it on their credit so they can start rebuilding up their credit. Also, if you go to a buy here, pay here, say that you're looking forward to buying a Mercedes, a $50,000 car. So if you're looking to buy a $50,000 car or whatever, most of the time, if you don't have a paid off car on your credit report and stuff, then it's very hard for you to get that $50,000 car or higher. But if you go to buy here, pay here, and you have making payments with them and then pay that car off, say in 6 months or whatever, and the value of the car is reported on your personal credit, now you have a higher chance of getting that $50,000 car. Now, me, myself, I'd rather just rent and lease my cars because I don't want to deal with the maintenance and everything. Plus, it's a business write-off for me. Now, at the same time, your next option would be personal loans. Now, a lot of people say, well, why would I want a personal loan? Well, there are personal loans, which I'll put links in below the video, because there are personal loans that don't look at your personal credit so that you may get qualified. So again, in a previous video, we talked about this using a personal loan. So with that personal loan, you may not be able to you may want to take that personal loan and go to a dealership and use it as a down payment on a new car, or you may want to go to places like Craigslist or an auction to get a car, put some money into that car and resell it so that you have a profit and then get the car that you want. Also, here's another idea. Like, say that you know somebody that has a high-end car, okay? And it's almost like flipping contracts in real estate. So they may have like a Mercedes or BMW that they want to sell, okay? And so they may say, hey, all I want is $20,000 for this car. Well, if you're a person that knows about cars and know that somebody that may want that car, they may be willing to pay $25,000 or $30,000 for it. Where if they're willing to sign the title over to you, or at least sign a contract that says that they will give you the profits from whatever that you make from selling the car as almost like a lead generation, then you take that BMW or Mercedes, so you list it on Craigslist or at an auction, he wants $20,000. You end up selling it for $25,000 or $30,000. Then you have profits in your pocket, so that way you have a down payment to go get your own car. So that way, even if you don't have a job, but you know about cars and you know that there are people in the market that want that type of car, then you're able to actually sell that car without actually ever owning that car and profiting from it. It's almost like flipping contracts. And a lot of people, they don't show these methods to you that I share with you. And the reason I share these with you, because I'm helping you understand there's more ways to make money and be successful at it, especially when you're trying to get a car, because again, your car may be breaking down and stuff. Then if you have the necessary requirements, like I said, start with your credit union. Like I said, it's called a Community Development Financial Institute, because they focus on people with bad credit. So I would start there, and then, like I said, if you know a buy here, pay here, taking them your pay stubs, bank statement, and utility, and then asking them to report those payments to your personal credit. Also, a personal loan, being able to get qualified for a personal loan so you can use that as a down payment to get you a new car, or being able to use that personal loan to go to Craigslist or auto auction to buy you the car that you need, or resell that car for profit and then go get the car that you want. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. I hope that this helps you to be able to know that, hey, you can get a car loan with bad credit and no credit check. It's just in terms of thinking outside the box of who would be willing to take chances on me. And like I said, if you have a job, then basically pay stubs, bank statement, and utilities. And if you're on government benefits or whatever, again, there are companies out there that will look at your government benefits and take that into consideration. Most of the time with your government benefits, you may have to look into getting qualified for a personal loan and then going to get a car. But this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. If you want to learn more about getting access to personal loans without your personal credit, click the link below. So I hope that